Hi guys, quick video today on killing Japanese knotweed, a year on results. I've done this exactly a year ago and so I thought I'd come back. There's a hell of a lot of difference. It has worked. People said, they're whinging on the comments, a few people said it's going to take 7 years, good luck. Well yeah, it's a constant thing, but I had to do it because it was just swarming there with it. You've got to try something. Alright, just killed some of the edge, but I had that much in there. I had to. See all the old canes, but they're dead, they're gone. I'd rather be like that, try to get on top of it. So I'm going to cut some more now with the edge cutter. Just going to cut them, see, so we haven't got that much left now. 5:30 Sunday morning, so I'll upload this today now. But if I'm doing any work here, out here on the edge, it's quite a busy road. I come and do it early in the mornings when we cut the edges, both sides. That's how I was over that side as well. So, anyway, so let me show you. This is all dead. Look. I hope it's light enough. There's a bit of an overcast morning today. You can see it. So I'm happy with that. Like I said, it's killed a lot of the edge because I had that much in there. Look at it. I had to spray it. Oh, that's gone. Look, falling out the roots. Look, nothing. So that's only 1 year. That was last year. So just cut them, spray them with glyphosate. I know a lot of people whinge that you haven't got licenses to do that and all that. At the end of the day, we're on a farm. This is what we've always done. So this is just the way it is. But that's what you need to do. Cut it. Oh, that's what I'm doing. It's working good. You can put it on the leaves if you want, and just leave it soaking that way. Like I said, it worked good for me. Just cut it first. Got to be careful with the stuff. Mind you want to move it to one side and burn it. Make sure you do that, because it is easily spreadable stuff. I know there's a lot of regulations to it. Yeah, so I'm using my Stihl KM94 RC and the edge trimmer attachment. Yeah, so hopefully it's bright enough on the video. It's early in the morning. I said Sunday morning, and I'll upload this today. Spray it with my Calvin edge trimmer remedy, edge trimmer lubricant, red diesel. Douse it. That's all it was. Quick cut down. I've got one or two coming up in the edge, one or two strands coming up in the edge. But like I said, I'm happy. That's 1 year result. Alright, it's killed a lot of the edge, yeah. But like I said, the infestation we had in it, I don't see any other option. And what I'll do, I'll just start pulling out all the roots then. But let's just carry on killing it. There's a few bits I could have cut. I just want to get it done while it's nice and early. So it's quiet out there, the traffic. Let's see the stems now. I want to spray down. Some that's all low. So get the sprayer on now, backpack my stuff mixed up, ready to go. I've got like 10-12 litres of it there. I'll do some brambles while I'm here as well. Like I said, I put a light on because it's a bit overcast ya, a bit gloomy about ya. Hopefully it'll be bright enough on the camera. Yeah, so glyphosate. What mix did I do? I think it's 25%, 25-30%, around that. When I'm working with this stuff, I make sure I got the rubber gloves on, even two pairs sometimes, rubber gloves and then normal gloves on top. And definitely the right respirator then. Don't do it without using them, whatever you do. Right, so we start spraying it now. I like to douse it down in the stems, get it right down in there. I give that a good dousing. Just been over an hour, it's like 20 to 7 now. That's not bad. I do see a lot of new stuff coming through, so I've just doused the hell out of it. I'll do it again now in October, so I'll take it back down in the roots with it then. But I'll just do it off camera. I'll come back in a year's time and we'll have a look on the second year then. But like I said, I'm happy. It's controlling it. Yeah, you can see all new, see the big round leaves in there. I'll do that for the other side, just go and, when I cut the edge, just pick them bits out. This is the worst side. There we are. Like I said, I know it's dangerous stuff. So if you have to use it, be careful with it. Make sure I have all the gear on. Yeah, like I said, I just gotta control it really myself, so that's what I'm doing. Alright, there we are. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.